Come with me and you'll see a world of pure imagination. Never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie. You guys know when you meet up with an old friend that you haven't seen in a long time and you don't really know what to say? Hello, old friends. It's been a while. Hasn't it? Jesus Christ, look at this fucking thing. Well guys, I guess this will serve as my official trailer for the channel relaunch. Yes, that's what we're calling it. Channel relaunch. I'm back at one of my old wheelie practice grounds. Oh man, this thing has gone to shit, guys. Jesus Christ. What's going on over in this corner? Place got icky. As you can imagine, with the amount of time that has passed, more has happened to me than I can even explain. Maybe you'll find out along the way. Well, with all that's happened, I'm ready to get back into it. Yeah, I don't know why I took a break on motovlogging. I guess I just got bored or some shit. All my friends kind of stopped riding. I had my baby and tried out that whole life thing, but kind of felt the itch, wanted to get back into it. I miss editing, I miss adventuring. I miss talking to you guys and acting like a fool. This place is nasty, dude. Anyways, I don't know what is in store for the channel future-wise. I haven't really planned it out or nothing. I kind of just decided let's take it natural, jump back into it, and see if you guys still like me as a person or whatever I am to you on YouTube. Trying to get used to the old Gromby. I'm getting better. I've been doing some practicing. Maybe we'll do some cool shit in the future. For the foreseeable future, any and all videos will be filmed on this beautiful Grom that is yet to have a name. Ah! Let's do a little wheelie for the kitties. I've been posting around some of the social media and Instagram, and I made a TikTok. As much as it hurts me. But yeah, I wanted to do an official update on YouTube for people that don't follow me on the other platforms, and let you guys know that I plan on coming back. Channel's coming back, getting everything ready, trying to update everything, and come back with a little flair, a little bit of style. Alpha is coming back. New bike, new look, new sense of yes. Well guys, welcome back to watching me sit in traffic for countless hours and saying literally nothing important that you would ever need to know. Like 60. Yeah. I got it off Craigslist like 28. They're like 3 new. Yeah. Yeah, it's fun as hell, man. Thank you. It's gears. It's got 4. Yeah, just like a regular little bike. Thanks, man. And hobo infested. Oh, it's so cool. Sketchy. It's so sketchy. It's the sketchiest. Exciting comeback, people. I'll see you. Well, you'll see me at the channel launch, baby. What's up, birdies? You guys like cinematic shit, because that's what we're all about today. Ramp.